Crude oil and natural gas both have started the week on a modestly bearish note. We have seen crude oil plummeting towards $71 levels, while net gas has also moved towards 1.94, the critical support zone here. Amidst the war tensions and the fears of recession, what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're going to see. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited, as the selling entry for oil was at 72.4 there, and I hope you all profited with that. Now, what to expect? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till. Look at oil on the hourly charts, the drop, retracement. See, this was the sideways move here, and since then it has traded bearish here. Now see, it has taken a breakout here. Only reversal consideration or confirmation in crude oil is if you see it trading beyond 74. As long as it stays below 74, we should not be treating this as bullish. What is happening here? See this formation here. The retracement, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. It can move towards 72.4, 72.6 again, and then reverse. This is one possibility you should not ignore. Right now also, if you look at taking the support, it is trying to rise, so a little retracement towards 72.4, 72.6 can be seen. Stochastic oversold, but this does not mean a reversal. Again, am I highlighting this fact? If you're putting a buy till 74, we have to be careful with the crude oil buying entries. It can reverse and plummet sharp again. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish at flat and bottom, and RSI also a flat and at oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see the drop, sideways movement, and the drop again. Now, see bearishness getting diminished here. You can see symmetrical movement here, the one bigger one and two smaller ones. Thus current levels, I will not say that it will provide you a reversal. Right now I can still say that there is a bearishness here, and if you see it is staying below 71.5, you can take a selling entry, and we can look forward to 71. So once you see the higher prices below 71.5, you can say that prices are reversing again, and we can look forward to a drop towards 71, 70.6 and $70 levels here. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold. The MACD trading bearish. The RSI is oversold here. On the 3-hour charts, if you now see on the 3-hour charts, look at the drop here, the retracement, and now look at the candle size, consistently increasing body size, consistently increasing bearishness. Also, what it is delivering is lower highs here, lower lows and lower highs. So $71 levels is the you can say the bottom of this channel, while on the upside at least 7, and then 74 levels need to be taken in order to confirm a reversal, else oil is still trading bearish, and the current candle can be further bigger one, which can take it in fact towards 70. The stochastic at bottom, MACD trading sharply bearish, RSI is come to oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour charts, what has happened here? See the drop, retracement, and then this sharp drop has appeared here. We can see this lower highs are seen here and lower lows are seen here. The lows of this channel are well below 71. Also, the previous candle, if you look at the previous candle, is a swing candle, and it is closed in red. So in fact, as long as the crude oil stays below here, below 72.6, 72.4 zone, it can try to reverse again and drop towards sell sides. So this is something, looking at the chart, it appears there is further down move available here. And thus, if you see it is staying below 71.5, 71.4, take a selling entry. We can look forward to $71 levels as the next target, 70.6, and in fact $70 levels should get hit. The stochastic at bottom oversold. The MACD is trading extremely bearish. The RSI has come to oversold zone. Coming to daily chart. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned one thing, that see diminishing bearishness, and thus if you see it above 74, you can say that it is reversed. We are still sticking to the same 74, 73. Now this complete zone has become a prime resistance zone for crude oil here. And right now, see, possibility for it to move towards 72.5, 72.6 exists, but I will say that still there is no sign of bearish reversal. And in fact, 73, as long as 73 is there, we have to be careful. And as long as 74 is not taken, we are not going to treat oil for a bullish entry. Though you can buy for a little retracement, you can buy here at 72.1, 72.2 levels. When you see the lower prices above 72.1, 72.2, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect it to move towards 72.5, 72.6, and then towards 73 levels, possibly. On the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend a selling entry at 71.6, where you see the higher prices below 71.6. Take a selling entry for 71.4 and then 71 levels as the next target. Once it trades below 71, we can say that the bearishness will increase and it can try to move towards 70.6 and $70 levels. Also, if you look at the daily chart, stochastic has come to oversold. MACD trading extremely bearish and RSI is at bottom, but there is still scope for a further drop. So take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, looking at the movement, what we are seeing across indices, commodities, you can see net gas is almost done. The most movement is done. Caesar drop, retracement, and it is now trading bearish here, delivering lower lows, lower highs here. 1.94 indeed is a good support. It is still trying to respect it, though a couple of times it has tried to breach it, but I can say that it is still trying to sustain this zone. Let's see if it stays below this. Possibly we are looking forward to 1.92 and $1.9 levels here. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is almost flat and at bottom. The RSI is also looking downwards here. Coming to 2 hours, on the 2 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Drop, retracement, drop again. Second bearish candle in succession. We can expect, in fact, a third bearish candle to appear here. But right now I can say that as long as the buying entries now is only above 1.9698 zone, and if you see it trading above 1.9698, expect $2 levels, 2.04 and 2.1 are the three major resistances on the upside. Stochastic retrace, MACD is bearish, RSI is looking down. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. What has happened, you can see this couple of candles which have shown a little swings, a rise and a reversal, and yes, it is the current candle has tried to break out. Lower lows are seen here. So yes, once you see the higher prices below 1.94, you can take a selling entry, but then 1.92 it needs to take, and then 1.9 zone, I can see it is going to get support here at around these levels. Thus you have to be very cautious with your selling entries as long as 1.92 is not taken. So those who want to trade safe, wait for 1.92 levels for a selling entry. Else what can happen, it can try to bounce back, it can try to move towards this zone at 1.9798, and once it breaks beyond 1.98, consider this for a move towards $2 levels, the greater resistance. The stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back, MACD bearish, RSI is already at bottom. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, series of bearish candles. See, the preceding two candles delivered higher lows and higher highs. Now the current candle is already on a breakout move here. So once it stays below 1.92, certainly we can say that the bears are here to stay, and then you can look forward to further drop towards 1.9, 1.86 zone, which is going to be the next support zone. If you look at the formation, see the current two candles, flat top, and it is trying to move on the downside. So possibly more bearishness will prevail here. The stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish and RSI is already at oversold zone. So 1.94, ideally the current levels are good for selling. Till 1.92 you have to be, and below 1.92 we can look forward to $1.9 levels. Now look at the daily chart. See, good increasing bearishness swing, and then it has started the day on a bearish note. It has started the week on a bearish note. $2 levels are going to become and are the prime resistance levels for now. Any move beyond $2 levels is a good sign for the bulls. What has happened on the daily charts? It is looking downwards here. You can see this, it is trading in this zone, and specifically once the prices move below 1.92, we can in fact look forward to 1.9, 1.86 levels here. Yes, it can plummet sharp. And also another point to note here on the daily charts, the more it diverges from the 20 period moving average, the higher the chance will be for it to converge, which is sitting right now at 2.15. Moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish and at bottom, and RSI is oversold. So looking at this, a buying entry now is about 1.9697 levels, expected to move towards $2 levels, and only about 2 it is a safer buying entry. As long as it stays below 2, you have to be careful with the buys. And on the downside, 1.94 ideal selling entry, wait for 1.92, and once it draws below 1.92, increasing bearishness will be seen, and then you can look forward to 1.9, 1.86. I do not see it breaking below 1.86 today at least, and once it breaks below 1.86, the next targets are towards 1.8, 1.81. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Do not miss to watch the first update with the Asia and Europe session every day. You get a fair bit of idea on how to profit throughout the day. So thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. And see you again tomorrow.